Good morning, everybody. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and that's a GG-1 frame, and that's a GG-1 frame. This one belongs to a perfectly good GG-1, but I've taken it apart. Here she is. And why did I do that? Because I couldn't find a good wiring diagram. There's parts diagrams, there's blown up schematics, but not with the wiring. And I think it's important to follow the brilliance of the original manufacturer and not have things, start from scratch. There's no point to it. Now, if you could see this motor lead here, okay, this wire goes here and it goes, so I'm going to call that a bottom. We're just going to call that the bottom contact. It's soldered there. So the wire comes up and it goes to this nose pointed lead. Then this wire travels. It's soldered down to that plate. This plate picks up from the bottom. It also would allow it to pick up from the pantograph. Then that wire continues along the bottom, and taking this wire out of the way, you see it's again on the bottom. Then that bottom continues and it's connected there. So that's one half of the circuit. This is now, I guess, the nose contact. So the nose contact wire goes around. It's uninhibited. This wire has no, you see, it's just totally loose. Doesn't contact anything until it comes here and goes right under there to this other contact on the locomotive motor. That comes back around and that goes to the other nose contact. So that's the wiring on the GG-1. Some of that wiring is missing on this one because this was somebody's who I guess went to DCC, and I have to restore it. There you go, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching.